Hello traders, welcome to Profitable FX. I'm gonna give you a weekly analysis for Euro USD. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna go into 1 week time frame and identify the zones. So here are the zones. Okay, it's the first zone and the second zone. Remember that this thing, it's up to you. It's how you analyze. There's no standard way of how to do it. Alright. So these are zones. What do I mean by zones? These are areas when price hits, it tends to reverse, or when it breaks, it changes the direction. All right, so let's put these zones in our 1 week time frame. Just want to put 2 because if I put a lot, it's gonna mess up my charts. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna go into the daily time frame so that we can get the overall direction of the market. So how do we do the daily analysis? So you can see in the daily time frame that on the previous days we had a downtrend here. This is a downtrend. So you draw out the downtrend based on the previous records. So you can see it was up to this point. Okay, so how do you know that it was up to this point? You can see every time when price is going down, it forms what you call lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so here it has started forming higher highs compared to the previous high. So it simply tells you that the trend is changing. All right, so make sure you draw the previous trend so that it gives you a clear picture of what you're doing. All right, so since this is the previous trend, we're going to put it in dotted lines. Okay, let's put it in dotted lines, then we change the color to red. Okay, so it's up to you. You can do whatever you want to do on this one. So I'm just giving you a quick analysis. Okay, I'm not gonna give you all the details here. All right, there you go. So this was the previous trend. So but you can see currently it's forming an uptrend. You can see, why are we saying it's an uptrend? Because you can see it has started forming higher highs. All right, so you connect those points so you can see that like that. All right, so let's change our trend line to green and to fully solid. All right, just like that. Okay, so next line there. So now we can see that our directional time frame, it's telling us that the market is going in what you call an uptrend. Okay, so this is a very powerful uptrend. So you can see the market is trending to the upside. So does it mean that it's a guarantee that's going to go up? No. Forex is to a certain degree unpredictable, so anything is possible. But 75% of the time, this market is going to go up. So once you have identified the direction of the market, you can go into your 4-hour time frame, which is usually my entry time frame, to spot out an entry there. You can see, so if you're trading the trend, you can use a simple strategy called the trend following. So what does it does? So what the trend following does is, for every impulse, there's always a retracement. So you can see from this point to that point, this is an impulse retracement. So every time price goes up, you wait for a retracement where it's gonna retrace and enter buy and go with it. So how do you confirm this? So we confirm this using our trend using our confluences. Okay, this is where we're going to use multiple confirmation for us to enter. So if you're interested on how to use the trend following confluence strategy, please hit the number on the screen. Profitable FX signing out.